Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with a wonderful old 1958 Jensen number 45, and we know the date because that's when the young fellow was given it for Christmas. And he goes by the forum name of Bart1315 and on the Office of Steam forum. And, this is just a wonderful little engine now. We did a lot of work to it, pounded out a lot of the dents. This has a brass boiler, so that's a little on the rare side. And we put a new heater in. It's got a 300 watt heater, replacing the 300 watt that was kind of weak and cracked. And it's just in a happy mode right now. It's running at 125 watts. And that seems to be where it's the happiest at for a nice, even, slow run. The sight glass blocks and the protector plate just got back from the nickel plater this morning. Safety valve and the whistle been cleaned up and new gaskets put in them. I've taken a cylinder assembly, because this didn't have one, off of a Jensen 35. We put another connecting rod in it and put a more robust crank and crank pin on it. It'll last a lifetime. Very much stronger than the original. And we're getting a little paint fade there around where the boiler meets the heating plate, but that's going to happen within the first couple of hours of firing on these. It's just how they are. They get incredibly hot. And we've got a new plate there for the Jensen ID tag. The original one was ruined, really. It was all painted over, so this is an exact copy. And she's just a fine runner now. A little more powerful than the original, with the half-inch bore instead of the 7/16. And just heavy duty. I'm very pleased with it now. Had the original stack with it. One thing about these, when you get the oil and everything slopping on the base, do not attempt to clean that until this cools down. Because you'll bake it right in and rub the paint off one. But anyway, here we go. Hope you enjoyed it. And she's running better than new. Oh, I also put in shims, because it's kind of a rattle fit where the axle goes through the boiler in that little tube. I didn't like how loose they were, so I put some brass shims in it, so it's nice and tight now. Perfectly tight. Just enough room to oil it. Alright, thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.